may have a variegated plant in your yard that's is green and white or golden variegation, and you might notice on some of them that it's starting to turn green in spots. This is pretty common. What it does is the plant is reverting back to its original parentage. So variegated plants don't typically occur in nature automatically. So what it's doing is it's going back to what it used to be. So you'll start seeing these green patches coming out in the variegation. And if you left these in there, the green is a little bit more dominant and will eventually take over all your variegation. And so when you see that in there, you'll want to cut out those straight green pieces, and then you'll be left with your variegated plant that you enjoy for years to come.